Hey guys, this is David with Orchard Park Colton RV, home of Airstream in Buffalo. Today I'm going to show you guys a 2024 Caravel 19CB. So we'll walk right this way. So first I want to talk about the front of an Airstream. One you'll notice here has stainless steel rock guards. So, while you're traveling down the road, God forbid any rocks hit this, instead of, dinging your nice aluminum, it'll actually hit these stainless steel rock guards instead. If we come over here, you're probably wondering, hey Dave, yeah, it's great to have these stainless steel rock guards, but what about the windows? Well, this is actually a protective layer. How you get to your actual window is you pop this off, and right there is your window. These Airstreams do come with 220-gallon propane tanks. On the Caravel model, you will get a power tongue jack. Come along this way. For the single axle Caravel, this model does come with the window awnings on the non-camp side. If we compare it to the Bambi, that's one benefit you get with the Caravel. Right here is going to be where you dump. You have your gray and your black tank right there. Airstreams do use smart plugs, so instead of like all your other trailers, you have to screw it in. You'll just, as easy as right there. On the back, also as well, you'll have a window awning on the rear as well. Standard with the backup camera and then exterior storage on the rear. Okay. Now if we come on inside, first we'll take a stop here. One, you'll notice the nice aluminum steps, and also as well as Airstream's infamous door. Honestly, it's like you're closing a safe. So if we walk inside, you do have a nice sleeper dinette, very comfortable for, 2 small kids, 1 adult. It will have a 2 cooktop burner with a convection microwave. You'll notice as we go along the top of the coach, you'll notice tons and tons of storage. You do have a full 12-volt refrigerator with the freezer on top. So right here you have a full-size bed. It is partially walk around, so you of course exit the bed from right there as well as right here. They probably asked me, hey Dave, where's the bathroom? It's gonna be right here. So when the bathroom is in use, how you put the door is like that. Great for a changing area, make sure you have enough room in the bathroom. Now when it's not in use, take the door, fold it like this. And then now you have tons of space to get in and out of the bed. All right, so above the bed, you'll notice there's tons of storage throughout this coach. So you have storage there. I mean, you'll have a huge wardrobe here. Again, in a 19-foot trailer, this is crazy, right? So again, all the overhead storage you get within this coach. Same thing here. And then right here as well, you got your radio system. It is going to be Bluetooth enabled. And then if we swing around here, tons of storage for various things, shoes, whatever you want to put in there. They included a nice little whiteboard for you, so keep a little checklist, make sure you got everything you need. And then finally for storage is going to be a nice big compartment right over the fridge. Again, just for various, extra bedding, whatever you guys need to put in there. Thank you for taking a look at the 2024 Airstream Caravel 19CB. Feel free to stop on by at Colton RV in Orchard Park, again, home of Airstream Buffalo, or reach me on my cell, 716-392-2351. Look forward to hearing off from you guys. Thank you.